Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the virtual painting using hand sign. So it will open the laptop front camera and user have to draw any object. Like I'm just drawing the line. We have to use 2 fingers. Okay, and it will give the suggestion. So if I click on the boat, then it will draw the boat from that particular line. Okay, let's draw the particular face. Now we are drawing the circle and then change the color and click on the clock, so it will draw the clock in that particular color. Okay, let's again pick red color and draw the line, and you can also click on any object, so it will draw the tree in that particular color. This is the eraser where you can erase all the object which you draw. Let's pick the rectangle in the red color and then click on any object like car, TV, flag, bag. Okay, and let's draw one more rectangle and it will give the suggestion like flag, so it will draw the flag. This is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.